Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to write Apex trigger in Salesforce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. And basically now we need just to go to our quick find and first of all make sure to that you are in your development environment. So now we need just to go and search for object manager so we can search for the objects where we want to implement some triggers there. So here in the object manager we need just to search for all the objects and just wait for it to load, and from here in the Object Manager, we will be able to see all our objects. From here, you will need just to choose any object that you would like. For example, we can choose in this tutorial assets for it. And from here, we will find triggers. By clicking triggers, we will find all the triggers that we have created. And of course, there is none. From here, we can create a new Apex trigger. And basically from now, we need just to start creating or having the code for our trigger. For more information about the coding or all the elements about Apex triggers, you will need to go to the Trailhead Salesforce. And from here, you can find all the things or all the syntax that you would need for creation of the trigger. So you can choose when the trigger should be would be triggered. Also, you choose on which object the trigger should work, etc. So basically here in the trailhead, you will find all the informations about the syntax for the triggers, and that's it. When you finish, all you need to do is just to click on save, and you will have your trigger that has been created successfully. So basically, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.